Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and talk. All right, the 51st of the top 50 ALJ trick questions. So if you're wondering, what did Attorney Walter not ever give me? He gave me that little extra. He gave me 51 of 50. He gave me the mathematical improbability that I shouldn't be hearing, but I am because I'm here and I'm watching it. Question 51, the judge will ask. So you have a lot of tattoos. Very neat tattoos. I like tattoos. What was the most recent one you had done? Trick question. Which is the newest one? How did you afford it? How did you put up with the pain? How did you sit for the length of time required to pen it? Or you can say needle it. It's up to you. Well, you got a good answer for that? No, of course you don't have a good answer for that, because there is no good answer for that. What, I was drugged, I was under the wet, I didn't know what was going on, hey, you know? So what if it's three-dimensional and I spent $4,000 on it? So what? So what? So what? Anyways, I love you guys. We made it all the way to 51. It started at 9. It took all the way until 4:04 p.m. To get here. So, anyways, please, if you are serious about getting disability benefits, and I know 99% of you guys are, all you're doing is you're relying on this as your last potential hope. So please take these questions seriously. If you have any further questions or you want the most up-to-date information, it's fine. Give me a call, shoot me an email. Also, 4/9/2020 and every Thursday thereafter at 8 p.m. 4/9/2020, 8 p.m. You can call me, 407-279-1754, and I'll run questions with you live on YouTube. When you call in, use a fake name, okay? If you don't use a fake name, I gotta take the next call and then I'll come back to you. But, you know, have a fake name the second time. Just make it an ethical fake name. You know, it can be James Bond, it can be, Clapton Eric, whatever. I don't care. Just make up a fake name, okay? And then we'll go from there. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take a mini break. Then I'm going to record some more COVID-19 videos and some videos about what it's like to be me at this point in my life with doing this law firm, so that other younger attorneys can go ahead and have a better understanding of the administrative, the physiological, the mental strains that come to you as an attorney who works at a law firm that he owns, and it's all the struggles that I face. And I know a lot of you guys don't give a crap about the struggles I face, but other attorneys that are younger, I want them to know, because it sucks. Anyways, I hope all is well. I love you all dearly. Cupcakes to everybody. A small puppy to everybody that's somewhat responsible. I will catch you later. Have a wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thank you so much. I'll catch you on that Thursday, the 407-279-1754. Have fun. All right. I'm going to have fun with my squeaky chair. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye. Thank you.